welcome back to my channel. First of all, can we appreciate the scenery? The vanity is looking so cute. I have styled this for over 2 hours, so I really hope you appreciate it. First of all, if you're new to the channel, hi, I'm Sophia Camarda. I don't know how I would describe myself. I make iPhone videos. I run a Discord. It's called iBaddie. It is so cool. I'm also a businesswoman and I have an online shop. It is called Camarda Crystals and we just expanded into Camarda Cosmetics. My dream one day is for it to all just be one brand and have a really cute, to the point name, but we are getting there. So we started out with selling crystals. It was really just handmade crystal jewelry that I make myself, such as this choker. Today's video is all about our new whipped body butters, which is honestly a huge trend right now. There's so many TikToks and stuff of whipped body butters. They are a very big trend and I could see why. Fun fact, I started YouTube with the intention of wanting to make a makeup line or a beauty line or something of that sort. This just feels very full circle because I'm finally doing what I've wanted to do for probably like 5 or 6 years now. I have done major research and figured out how to make the perfect body butter. I'm not even kidding. I know that my body butters are the best because I've looked up all the ingredients, I've looked up everyone else's ingredients, I've looked up all the methods, I've perfected this. So I'm very proud of these body butters and there are going to be so many more. I want to do different scents and colors, but today I will introduce you to the first one. This is called the Candy Cloud Body Butter, and as you can see, it is inspired by cotton candy. The colors are pink and blue. As you can see, they're very pastel, very cute, very girly, and I do everything myself. I made the labels, I found the bottles, I created the formula, I make the body butters myself, I pipe them, I pack them, I do everything. This is like a one-woman show, alright? This is what they look like, and the best part is how they have this beautiful swirl. It is very aesthetically pleasing. So I named this Candy Cloud because I wanted it to be named something cloud. Something about these body butters, the fact that it's whipped and very light, is very cloud to me, and the idea of a cloud is very relaxing, like you're on a cloud, kind of like cloud 9. I don't know. I thought it'd be cute to name it Candy Cloud, and maybe every body butter could be named like blank cloud. For example, I really want to do one next called Pure Cloud, where it's just white and no scent for like sensitive skin. But anyway, this is Candy Cloud for cotton candy, and it literally smells like a mix of like cotton candy and raspberry and strawberries. It smells so amazing. When I'm making these, it is so hard to not eat them. So just a warning, if you do get one, don't eat them. Let me tell you about the product itself, why it's good, what's in it, and things like that. So this is an all-natural product. Every ingredient is natural. It's mainly made with shea butter, so I would kind of describe this as like a whipped shea butter. Shea butter is amazing for your skin. It has so many benefits. Then it has coconut oil, which is also great for your skin. Cocoa butter, which is kind of like a hard butter, and it helps the butters to keep its consistency because they can melt pretty easily. So that's why I decided specifically to use cocoa butter. Is honestly, I think, the secret ingredient to my formula. Then we have sweet almond oil, which is super high in vitamin E. It's amazing for you. Avocado oil, jojoba oil, which is like nature's serum, they say. Jojoba oil is amazing for your skin. It's put in a lot of skincare. A lot of companies literally just sell it by itself because it's so good for you. Another secret ingredient I use is arrowroot powder, which honestly gives this kind of like a not greasy texture. It's almost like when you apply it, it's like a sad and luxurious texture, and that is thanks to the arrowroot powder. It is very like sleek almost, and then it just has fragrance and mica to color it, which is kind of like a natural pigment. So yes, those are all the ingredients. That is it. And I actually have a list on the website about all of the ingredients that I use and every single benefit of each one, and really break down like what I use in the body butters, why they're good. And I think it's so cool because honestly, I think it's cool to know what's in the products that you're using. To be able to read a full list of all the ingredients and know the exact benefits and what's exactly in the product is amazing. Something about knowing that makes me feel like good to put it on my skin. Like I'm excited to use it because I'm like, wow, I know there's good things in here, and I'm just really proud of it. So if you want to check out, I made an Instagram just for the body butters, and I have a highlight of how I make them behind the scenes, and I also have a highlight of the ingredients and why they're good. It's very tied together on there. I think it's really cool. This is the full-size version, which is kind of like the standard version, and a little goes a long way, so you really don't need a lot. So this is the general size, and if you want a closer look at the label again, this is what it looks like. And also, if you're wondering, this right here says "you are really pretty," because I just thought that was cute. I don't know, kind of lame, but I thought it was cute. I always keep these on my desk and just open the lid and smell it because it smells so freaking good. And honestly, I don't even want to touch this one. I have another one next to me where I will demonstrate how it works. Then we have the baby size, which is actually half of the volume. So this has 4 ounces of product. So if you're wondering like the actual volume and things like that, I weigh these when I fill them. So I will make sure there's at least 4 ounces in each one, which is a very standard amount. This has 2 ounces, so it's literally half the size. So the little one is good if you want to try the product first before buying the big one. And it's also good if you want to like put it in your bag or something. It gives you options. So this is the baby one, and it's so cute. It's so tiny. It looks bigger on camera. It's actually really little in person. Here's the inside of the baby one, and as you can see, it's just so cute. So if you're wondering the prices, the big one is $20, which is also a standard body butter price. But the good thing with mine is also that they ship free, so it's $20 flat, like nothing else. And then this is the baby one, and it goes for $14, so it's actually kind of giving you a discount. If you get the bigger one, you're getting like more for your money with this one. But yes, if you want to try, it's only $14. This one ships free too. They both do. I feel like that's a really fair price. Honestly, it's really high quality ingredients. It's handmade, so obviously a lot of time and passion goes into making these, and they're good for you, and they really do work. I've been using these every day consistently, and I'm not even kidding. I will look down at my hands and be like, they look so smooth. I took a picture and put it on Instagram, and I was like, my hand looks so smooth from using these body butters. It's crazy. Out of all my lotions and things like that, I reach for this because I genuinely feel like they work, and I'm like excited to use them. They're cute, they feel good, and everyone who has bought one so far has loved it. I've heard such amazing things, and I was like, I really need to make a video about these and explain and show like just the thought and passion I put into these. I feel like they just deserve their moment, so I really wanted to make this video and show you guys like, hey, look at my body butters. They are amazing, and I feel like you are going to love them. This is the one I use at home, and this one is honestly kind of busted because this is the first one I made ever. So these are like the model ones where I'd say this is what you're getting, and this is like, oh, this is the one I use at home and like my first attempt and stuff like that. But I've gone through a pretty good amount. What I do is just kind of go in and go like this and get like maybe that much. I would say this is enough for your hands, so like, that looks so cool. It's like pink and blue, half and half. But anyway, when it touches your hand, it starts to melt. And that's because these butters are actually more like hard oils, and they have a certain melting point. So when they get contact with your skin, they start to melt because your skin is obviously warmer than the air temperature. But yes, what you do is just kind of rub it in. I kind of grabbed too much, but it's fine. I really like using this on my legs and arms, especially my legs, because I feel like it makes the biggest difference. Oh, and I keep talking so much, but I'm just excited. I also use them on my feet at night. So I have these like festive fuzzy socks, and they have snowmen and snowflakes on them. And then I'll get like a huge chunk of the body butter and put it on my feet, and then put the socks on. And then in the morning, my feet are so soft. Like, you have to try that. It is such a winter hack. That is how they work. And as you can see, my hands are like kind of swollen. My hands look super soft. If you put a lot, like honestly, if you put a little too much, much, your hands will be like a little bit greasy for a while, but the texture is very like satin and it absorbs kind of quickly. It's just kind of like a long-lasting moisturizer. Honestly, I think the coolest thing about my body butters is that they're very aesthetically pleasing and cute. They're almost like a novelty, like they look like icing or something, and honestly, the scent and look alone make you want to buy it and use it. So I get excited because I'm like, wow, this is so cute, like I just want to use my product. And I don't even think like of the purpose of the product sometimes just because it's so cute. But then I really think about it, I'm like, wait, this is actually working. Like my skin looks good, and I don't know, I just think that's really cool how it delivers in all departments. Those are my body butters. I've been like rubbing my hands together this whole time. I'm sorry. I hope you guys like them. I don't know, I just felt the need to share it on the channel because honestly, this is like really what I believe in and have fun with, and I just feel good about it. So I really appreciate anybody who has taken the time to watch this video. Thank you to anybody who has purchased from me or who has supported me. There are definitely going to be more, but right now this is like the debut product. Definitely keep an eye out for the next one, which is, I feel like, going to be the Pure Cloud, because I really want to do just like a generic clean formula for people who may not want like any scent or any color, just a very like natural product. So keep an eye out for that. So if you want to order anything, go to camardacrystals.com or camardacosmetics.com. They go to the same website, and you can get a body butter for just $14, free shipping, or you could do the big size and do the 20, which is honestly a really good price as well. Thank you for being here, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye!